and I joined a hospital called All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS, and in this hospital I worked for the next 6 years. Or during this time I learned lot many things, that how to treat the heart patients. So remember, till now our medical science books would tell us what to do, what not to do. But on this subject there was no book. It was only written that cholesterol leads to blockage, but how to convince, how to talk to a patient, how to tell him what ought to be done and what ought not to be done. I found this is a new branch. There was nothing available. I have to teach heart patients. And then I realized what, that heart patients, we need very important thing called the language. The language should be very simple. आपको मालूम है हार्ट का पेशेंट को मैं डिफिकल्ट लैंग्वेज समझाऊंगा फिर नहीं समझ आएगा. I realized in the next 6 years that heart patients you cannot use the medical language. वो medical language को change करके simple language use करो. Now what is this medical language? Let me explain. You ask the cardiologist, sir, I've got this pain. What is this? He says this is coronary artery disease. You have understood now? Then you say what? You say, sir, tell me little bit about it, this coronary artery disease you are talking. He says it is called coronary atherosclerosis. Now you understood now? Now what is the next question? Either you say I don't understand, I have understood. If you are very true, then you don't understand. Now what do you do next? You ask the doctor again, sir, I am not a medical doctor. Can you give me in simple language what exactly it means? He says, okay, I'll explain. He says, he is a good man. Otherwise he will refuse. He says, you don't become a doctor. But suppose he is a good doctor. He will say what this is the oxidized LDL cholesterol being engulfed by the phagocytotic action of monocytes. Now what is the meaning of it? The meaning is zero. Why? Because the medical language is difficult. Medical language is not for common people. Of course, if a doctor understands this, he can understand. But a normal person cannot understand that it is the oxidized LDL cholesterol being engulfed by the phagocytotic action of monocytes. So now, for us, for a normal person, I have to change the language. I realized if I have to train a heart patient, the language should be very simple. Not that they don't have brains, but they are not adjusted to this language. They can understand, but we have to give them in their own language. So I changed the language. I changed the whole pattern. I said, no, medical science we can't do. And all my books, if you read, you will find the language is very simple and you can make it out. The cardiologists, they will read the other language book, which is very difficult to understand for common people. So I changed the language. Next thing I found out that I need some time with our patient. Why time? Without time, I can't make them understand. See, it's not a electrical thing that, okay, I put it over there and it is automatically done. It's not charging the battery in your brain. You have to spend time, I have to spend time, then we have to interact. So I needed a lot of time. Suppose in 2 minutes I have to